Why, hello there! 50 for 20 here. Today I'll be showing off some stuff I got at the Lebanon, Tennessee National Train Day show today on my crusty, musty, dusty bed. First off, the thing I'm most excited about, this Nashville and Eastern hat. $5. Alright. Let's go to the first bag, what is closest to me. A O-scale Rio Grande cookie caboose. I'm not sure if this is even a real thing or not. I'm not sure why it's a cookie box car. If anyone has any idea, let me know. I'm gonna get the enemy hat in here also. Alright. Now I got some metal signs. Chessie Seaboard X and Southern. I'm just gonna lay those here. First bag complete, I think. Alright, now we got some shirts. Before I do put the shirts in, here's the card. It's called Rabel Rails Railwear, RRR. So I'm gonna put it like that so y'all can get the website. So, oh, we actually have a bag in here. Let's get this out first. Alright. In this bag, an HO scale Union Pacific hopper levered. Alright, so now we have that out of the way. Now we're done with our first bag. Now let's get the shirts out. If you're a SARM, if you enjoy the Southern Appalachian Railway Museum or SARM a lot, you're going to like this shirt, even though these shirts are oversized, but I really like them. Quenchfield 800. Back when it was in service in Quenchfield. Look at that. Alright. I don't really know how to pack shirts, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna... And then now it's time for the second shirt. Which, I've seen this locomotive... Actually, I have seen Quenchfield 800 before a couple times. But I've seen this locomotive a lot more, especially in my younger toddler days. And that is Louisville and Nashville 405, a GP7 which is at the Tennessee Central Railway Museum in Nashville, Tennessee. Alright. After I get this shirt folded up, we have two more bags to go, and I think these are all of the models. Yeah, I got some models also. Alright. This bag is heavy. I think it has the surprise in it. The pretty much big deal. Yep, it does. My new Burlington GP30. I'm going to run this on a test track. Alright. Got this. It apparently runs well. $4, I better. Now I'm done with this bag. And now finally this bag. Which only has one model in it. My Lehigh Valley hopper. So yeah, I'm gonna go and run the models on the test track. Alright, I am now at the test track. Let's see what happens. No one here. Oh? Alright, apparently I didn't have my cable fully plugged in, so now let's try. Hey! There we go, heck yeah! That's gonna be it for today's video. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.